Savannah,
Yeah.
where are we going?
I'm going on the boat.
The JETMATE?
Yeah.
Can you say that?
Yeah. JETMATE.
JETMATE.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is going to be so cool.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah.
That little dinky boat. Hey, say cheese.
Cheese.
Are we going on the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go. First ride in the 1992 last year production Kawasaki 650 JETMATE. Let's roll. So here's the controllers. You got your start, stop. This is your left and right control. This is your ignition down here. So turn that on. Turn the blower on. The build. Nothing coming out, so we're nice and dry. Turn that off. Let the blower run for a little bit. And this is your neutral, forward, and reverse. Reverse doesn't work that good, but it does do a little bit. Stops you more than anything. So we'll put in neutral. And we'll hit start. Owner. So we gotta put that little guy in, hopefully it didn't flood it. Look at that, fired right up. Knucklehead. So this is a tether just like a jet ski. Gotta have that on, so. Let's get the bumpers in and we'll get rolling here. All right, we're hanging out in the JETMATE.
Okay.
What do you think, Savannah? Is this cool?
Yeah.
What are your first impressions?
The white one.
Is it wet in here?
Yeah.
Is it kind of splashy?
No.
Yeah.
No.
And we're out here on a beautiful lake,
Yeah.
Elk Rapids.
Yeah.
Look at all these nice homes.
I need to open.
Savannah, it is open, honey.
Huh?
Leave the cap on, or leave the tab on.
See, I need to
Here,
open.
give me that. Thank you. Put that in the cooler.
Oh, chili.
All right, Savannah, you done JETMATing?
Yeah.
Where are we gonna go next?
Ice cream.
We're gonna go get some ice cream?
Yeah.
What flavor are you gonna get?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
You're not gonna get your raspberry?
No.
Okay.
I'm getting my chocolate.
All right, let's get going.
Yeah.
Let's fire this thing up.
It can't.
All right, here we go. Savannah, how do you like this? Alright, we're just getting back into the mouth of the river here. There's a no wake zone, so we just got to putt. But this thing's been idling for about 10 minutes on the way out and 10 minutes on the way in. No troubles, not bogging out. Starts and stops just fine. This thing really runs good. Gotta thank you, Charlie, if you're ever watching this video. You sold us a nice unit. Very thankful. Cruising the bathtub around the river. Here's one of our local restaurants. Gotta go under that bridge next. There's Riverwalk. Make delicious food. And we're going under US 31. This goes all along the lake. We're in Elk Rapids. Get up to Charlevoix next, and then Petoskey and Harbor Springs. It's the main drag. I might be the only knucklehead that thinks this thing is that cool. But I am flipping out right now. Look at that thing.